Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, Director of Marketing Communications for Cuisinart. This is the Cuisinart Pure Indulgence 2-quart frozen yogurt and ice cream maker. This product is a lot of fun to use. It's really easy to operate. First, you need to put your freezer bowl in the freezer. We recommend overnight at 0 degrees, and you put it right inside. You put your ingredients in here. You add your ice cream dasher, and this is what turns the ice cream as it freezes. You put your lid on, and you'll notice the lid has a little hole in it right here, where as your ice cream's almost finished, you can add in small pieces of fruit or chocolate chips or even a couple of small pieces of nuts. And after you get all your ingredients in, you just turn it on. It's beautifully designed. It has a stainless steel housing. And guess what? In 25 minutes, you're going to have fresh, flavorful ice cream or frozen yogurt right at home.
Yonanas Elite is a fun, easy kitchen appliance that creates a treat that looks, tastes, and feels like soft serve ice cream using only frozen fruit. Quiet, powerful, sleek new design. Great for parties, entertaining, or just making delicious healthy treats for your family every day. Peel overripe bananas and freeze with your favorite frozen fruit. One button turns the machine on. Simply feed your favorite frozen fruit through the chute and create a delicious bowl of Yonanas in seconds. Strawberry, orange, mango, melon, chocolate chip. Enjoy a healthy ice cream-like treat you love. Yonanas recipes are endless. Pies, popsicles, bonbons, tiramisu, 100% fruit, or chocolate. You're only limited by your imagination. Entertaining is fast, fun, and easy with Yonanas. Your delicious and healthy dessert ideas can be family-friendly or simply elegant for a dinner party. And cleanup is fast and easy too because Yonanas is dishwasher safe. If you're allergic to dairy, careful about the types of sugar you consume, need to eat more fruits and veggies, or you just have a sweet tooth, now you can indulge in desserts with 100% fruit and not feel guilty with Yonanas Elite.
Hi, this is Bob, and today I'd like to talk to you about the Sweet Alice 1.5 quart ice cream maker. To use, you simply pull off the lid and you remove the inner right here. This needs to go in the ice box for overnight, at least 12 hours. When you're ready, you place that inside the unit. Go ahead and place the unit together and then lock it in place. Now right here there's a chute, and this is where you need to add the ice cream after you've plugged it in and you turn the unit on. That's very important to do first, and then you set your timer, and that's all there is to it. Now if you want to add things like chocolate or sprinkles or things like that, add them at the end of the churning time, which is about 5 minutes before it's done. It takes approximately 25 minutes is all to make smooth, refreshing ice cream with the Sweet Alice ice cream maker. So then again, you just use the same chute, and you can put your any type of extras you want to add about 5 minutes before it's done. The unit will automatically turn off, and then you're done. Take off the lid, and then enjoy fresh ice cream. Now, for cleaning purposes, this automatically comes off, and then there's 2 clips right here to remove the motor. You just simply press on that. So there you go, there's the motor. You don't want to immerse that into water. And there's your top. So you can wash that. And then when you're ready to put it back together, this basically just goes in until you hear it snap. There we go. And right there. And then you're ready to go again. So this has been a demo of the Sweet Alice 1.5 quart ice cream maker.
Make delicious creamy ice cream, gelato, and sorbet from the comfort of your home with Whynter ice cream makers. With homemade ice cream, you can avoid additives or harmful ingredients that some companies add to stabilize the cream to keep it from crystallizing. And most importantly, it's fun. Far more effective than budget ice cream makers, the Whynter ice cream makers feature a built-in compressor freezer that allows for continuous use without the need to pre-freeze the mixing bowl. Whynter ice cream makers can be operated in 3 convenient modes: ice cream mode, cooling only mode, and mixing only mode. This ICM-2013B's upright design gives it a small footprint ideal for tighter spaces, and its elegant stainless steel build gives it a polished and professional look. All Whynter ice cream makers include a BPA-free churn blade. One of the special features of this ICM-2013B model is the stainless steel bowl, which is perfect for any type of ice cream or sorbet mixture. Here's how easy and fast this ice cream maker works. First, have the ice cream mixture ready. Press the power button and then the menu button to select ice cream mode. Pour the mixture into the bowl, lock the lid in place, press start, and watch the unit do its job. The LCD display shows the internal temperature and the operating time. You can add any ingredients such as chocolate chips or nuts to enhance the texture and flavor. In about 45 to 60 minutes, depending on the mixture, your homemade creamy ice cream is ready. Be healthy and creative and have fun making your own frozen treats at home. Please visit our website for the most current Whynter ice cream maker lineup.
Do these jingles take you back to the ice cream truck coming around the corner? Now you can easily make your favourite childhood dessert with the Breville Smart Scoop. It's the first compressor ice cream maker with load sensing that lets you set and forget. This banana frozen yogurt recipe is one of many sure crowd-pleasing favourites that are included in the recipe section of the instruction booklet. Place the paddle securely into the 1.5 quart bowl. The outside needs to be completely dry or the water can turn to ice and cause it to get stuck. Pour the mixture into the ice cream bowl and place it into the Smart Scoop. Then choose from the 12 hardness settings. Turn the dial to the right for harder textured dessert like gelato or ice cream, and dial to the left for softer sorbet and this frozen yogurt. If you want to tailor to your preferred consistency, or for a pre-timed recipe, you can mix in manual mode. The optional pre-cool function can be used before both manual and automatic settings and only takes about 10 minutes to cool. That same button can activate the child lock by holding it down for 2 seconds. To make it faster, I'm definitely going to press pre-cool. Great for entertaining, the keep cool setting will keep the consistency of the dessert by chilling and churning for up to 3 hours. There's also an option to switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius. But to alert you to when your dessert's ready, the big decision remains to choose from the jingles, beeps, or a mute option, but that doesn't really scream ice cream. Ice cream usually takes about 50 minutes to churn and chill, but if your recipe calls for chocolate chips, fresh fruit or flavourings, there'll be a ding at about 3 to 5 minutes just before your ice cream reaches its desired consistency. When it's done, remove blade will flash. Use the included spatula to remove the frozen dessert from the bowl into a freezer container. You can immediately serve, or since it's all natural and free from stabilisers and preservatives, it will store for 1 week in the freezer. To prevent ice crystals from forming, put plastic film directly over the top before storing in the freezer. The bowl should be hand washed. Use the included bottle brush to clean inside of the scraper blade. The Smart Scoop, brought to you by the food thinkers at Breville.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Cuisinart 1.5 quart compressor style ice cream and gelato maker. You can do both styles of desserts, and the reason is we have 2 different paddles. One is specifically designed for ice cream and the other is specifically designed for gelato. And the reason is that gelato has a lot less air in it. It's much more dense than an ice cream. Ice cream is more aerated, and so we have designed 2 different paddles for you to use to get the perfect result for a great gelato or an ice cream. The other thing I want to show you is this is the 1.5 quart removable container. Just put that right back in there. And we're going to put the paddle in. You can see how it goes in. And the next thing that you have here is your locking lid. You just line up the arrow with the locking unlock signal and turn it towards the locking icon. Also here you have a little window where you can add your ingredients or any mix-ins when you're making your ice cream or gelato. Has a beautiful stainless steel finish, and like I said, it has a compressor, and the benefit of that is that you can make ice cream or gelato at any time. You don't have to chill a container overnight in the freezer, and you can also make batch after batch of ice cream or gelato. It has a control panel here, which is black, and it's surrounded by a really nice accent of brushed stainless steel, as is the front. It has a power button, a 60-minute timer, and then also a start-stop button. It's beautifully designed, and it's also a lot of fun to make homemade ice cream or gelato. So we can get started with our ingredients. Today we're making a fresh strawberry ice cream. And I'm just gonna take off the lid right now because it's just, I don't want to splash. I'm just gonna stir this around a little bit. I prepared this in advance so that we'd have it all ready for making ice cream. And all you do, it's so simple and easy. You just pour the cooled ingredients right inside. Like that. I made a little bit of a splash, but that's okay. I can wipe it up really easy. All you do is put your lid back on, lock it into place, and we're gonna set the timer for 40 minutes. And we're gonna come back after 40 minutes, and it starts to turn. It's gonna start churning your ice cream. And when we come back, I'm gonna show you a beautiful strawberry ice cream that we made from scratch. So our 40 minutes is up, and one thing I wanted to mention to you is that when your ice cream is done mixing and cooling, you should take it out of the container inside and move it to a food storage container because it'll still be a little soft, and then put it in the freezer so it'll harden up a little bit. It's not going to be absolutely hard when it is finished churning in the ice cream maker. So here we go. I just want to show you how beautiful this came out. It's rich and flavorful and really, really pretty. And it couldn't get more tasty than making fresh homemade ice cream. And honestly, I do it with my nieces and nephews, and they love it. Who wouldn't want a beautiful creamy ice cream or gelato right at home?
If you're interested in buying one of this product, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment, and to subscribe. As always, thank you for watching.